Here in this picture you can see the seismograph which records the earthquake. See here the picture of a seismograph which records the earthquake. In the next page that let us learn about the measuring an earthquake. The strength or magnitude of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. The Richter scale has magnitude levels from 1 to 8. If an earthquake is rated 1, you can hardly feel it. But an earthquake rated 2 is 10 times as strong as an earthquake rated 1. And an earthquake rated 3 is 10 times as strong as an earthquake rated 2. Only a few people feel a level 1 earthquake. In a level 2 earthquake, a few people who are resting may feel it, especially if they are near the top of the tall building. Nearly everyone will feel a level 5 earthquake, and some dishes and windows will break. A level 6 that heavy furniture moves around and many people will feel frightened. In a level 8 earthquake, many buildings will fall down. See children, that the strength and magnitude of an earthquake is measured by the by the Richter scale. The Richter scale is a magnitude levels that level 1 to 8 levels will be there. If an earthquake is rated 1 means you can hardly feel it, but earthquake rated 2 is the 10 times as strong as the earthquake rated 1, and an earthquake rated 3 means it is 10 times as strong as the earthquake rated 2. Only few people can feel the level of 1 earthquake. That if a level 1 earthquake happens means only few people can feel. In the level 2 earthquake, a few people who are resting can feel it. Okay, especially if they are near the top of the tall building, they can feel that level 2 earthquake. And nearly that everyone will feel a level 5 earthquake. If a level 5 earthquake happens means everyone will feel, and some dishes, windows will break. At level 6 means that is heavy furniture. If the level 6 earthquake happens means heavy furniture moves. Okay, many people can feel this earthquake if the level 6 means. Okay, and if level 8 happens means many buildings will fall down. See here that level 8 is the strong earthquake. Okay, that earthquakes can cause damage to things like buildings, bridges and roads. Earthquakes can cause landslide and mudslides too. Because most of the earth is covered by oceans, earthquakes often happens in the ocean. Usually this just shakes the water and people do not notice. If a large earthquake happens under the oceans, can cause a tsunami, a giant ocean wave, or a series of waves. Series of waves. Scientists can figure out whether the earthquake is likely to happen in a place by studying plate tectonics, the faults underground, and the history of the area's earthquakes. However, unlike weather event, earthquakes cannot be forecast ahead of time. Okay. See, earthquake can cause damage for the building, bridges, roads, and it causes for landslides, mudslides also. Okay, that earthquakes often happen in the ocean also, because that usually this just a shake of water, and people do not feel that the earthquake happens in the ocean. If a large earthquake happens under the ocean means that is called as tsunami. That a giant ocean waves or a series of waves will come. That if the earthquake happens in the ocean means that is called as tsunami. Okay. Scientists can figure out whether an earthquake is likely to happen in a place by studying plate tectonics. That scientists know, they can figure out whether an earthquake is likely to happen in the place by studying the plate tectonics, the faults underground, and the history of the area's earthquakes also. However, that unlike the weather event, earthquakes cannot be forecast ahead of time. See, whether we can say whether we can forecast, okay, but earthquake cannot forecast. Means we cannot say that when does that earthquakes happens, okay.